In this example, we would like to model a bowling alley with the Mechatronic Concept Designer. We're starting by pressing Collision Body and selecting the alley as a box, as a collision shape. And we're also selecting the lower face of the ramp. Second, we will select the bowling ball itself as a rigid body. And we will also apply a rigid body, a collision body to the rigid body. Now when I press the play button, the ball will fall through the ramp, as the ramp is not yet modeled as a collision body. So when we do so, we can just select the collision body, just grab the faces and set the granularity of the resolution of the mesh by the slider. When we press the play button now, the ball will roll down the ramp and will roll towards the pins. But as the pins are not yet modeled, the ball will just go through and the pins will not fall down. Now we can just select one pin as a work part and model this pin with the Mechatronic Concept Designer. We start with a rigid body and also apply a collision body to the pin. We can set the resolution of the collision body by the slider. When we go back to the top assembly level, we will see that MCD just creates for each individual occurrence of this work part the model of the Mechatronic Concept Designer, which was stored within this work part. So now you can see the ball is rolling down and hits the pins.